Hi guys, myself CA Karuna Shah. I welcome you all on my channel. The main purpose of this channel is to spread knowledge about the taxation and accounts. I will be uploading series of lecture on this channel. So if you like my work, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. It motivates us to make more videos. Thank you. Today we are going to discuss about the GST audit. I was getting so many calls and queries about the GST audit, so I thought why not to make a separate videos on it. I am dividing this lecture in the few parts. In first few parts we will be discussing about the theoretical knowledge, and in second few parts we will be actually doing the practical example with case studies. So this is totally practical subject, so I would request you to carry the pen and paper with you. So let's start with GST audit, form GSTR-9 and 9C. First we will see the applicability of GSTR-9. GSTR-9 for annual return, and applicability means who shall file the GSTR-9. As per section 44(1), every registered person, but this every registered person was replaced by the notification stating that dealer need not file his GSTR-9 if turnover does not exceed 2 crore. But in that notification they had also mentioned that if return is not filed within due date, then it will be considered as a deemed filing of return. So it will be considered as a deemed filing of return. So I would suggest, if you have made any correction or adjustment during the year, you should go for a GSTR-9. Now other than means not applicable to input service distributor, person paying tax under section 51-52. This section 51 and 52 we will be discussing later on. Casual tax person and non-resident tax, and obviously non-resident taxable. And what will be the due date? As per section, the due date should be 31st December of the following end of such financial year. This 31st December of following end of the financial year means if you are filing the return for 18-19, due date should be 31st December of 2019, but this is extended till October 2020, means almost 10 months extension we already have. Still we are expecting more extension. Now for composition, annual return in GSTR 9A, and for e-commerce operator 9B. Now we will see the turnover. We will see the GSTR 9C applicability. Every registered person whose turnover during the financial year exceed the prescribed limit, this prescribed limit for the year is 5 crore, shall get his account audited by the chartered accountant. So we can conclude here like this: GSTR 9 and 9C. So if turnover is less than 2 crore, 9 is also not applicable and 9C is also not applicable. If turnover is 2 crore but up to 5 crore, then 9 is applicable, 9C is not applicable. If turnover exceed 5 crore, then 9 is also applicable and 9C is also applicable. Now we will see the levy of late fees. Very favorite question of every client: madam return file nahi kiya to kya? If return is not filed, then you will be liable for the penalty of 100 rupees. However, this 100 rupees is CGST ka 100 and SGST ka 100, means it will be 200 rupees per day till filing of GSTR-9, and maximum penalty will be 0.25 of the turnover, 0.25 of CGST, 0.25 of SGST, means total 0.5% of turnover. Means if your turnover is 5 crore, then you will be liable for the penalty of 2,50,000. Leviable will be 2,50,000. So if you are not filed the GSTR-9, then you may liable for the penalty up to 2,50,000.